You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Nissan Kicks. Here's a tech-savvy Kicks that knows what you need to make travel fun. From its nimble handling to its roomy interior, trendy style, and touchscreen infotainment, this snazzy small SUV offers larger-than-life value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, keyless start, backup camera, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Get plenty of room without sacrificing efficiency in this good-looking Kicks. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.